students, good morning to all. You know that we are in the continuation of the lesson The Hour of Truth by Percival Wilde. In the last class, we have seen that John is asking to his father, Baldwin, about the crime of Gresham, isn't it? Here, Gresham has misappropriated the fund of the bank, and that's why he was arrested. Here, he was asking to his father, what? Here, that why Gresham was going to get punishment. Why Gresham was going to get punishment. Nobody has loses a cent. Nobody has lose a cent. Then why Gresham was going to arrest? How he has misappropriated the fund? Like that, here John was asking to Baldwin. We know that Gresham asked Baldwin to remember the three words, that is, I don't remember. Isn't it? Here let me see what Baldwin was going to say for the question of John. In the last class we have seen that they can't let him John. He is too conspicuous. They can't let him John. Here the court was not going to let him go because he is a famous person. Conspicuous here meaning famous. Here conspicuous here meaning famous. Here Gresham was a famous person. So the court was not going to let him go. Who is saying this? Baldwin. Here John, do you think that's right, Governor? Do you think that's right? Nobody is going to lose a cent. Then why he was going to arrest? Why they are going to give punishment for him? Who is asking that? John. Here, do you think that's right, Governor? What's the meaning of Governor? Yes, Father. Do you think that's right, Father? Baldwin, my opinion doesn't matter, John. എൻ്റെ അഭിപ്രായത്തിൽ ഇവിടെ പ്രാധാന്യമില്ല. It's not going to be a matter, ഒരു വിഷയമല്ല അത്. Okay, here the court and the police, they have concluded, they have concluded what going to give, what punishment he was going to deserve. Here, my opinion doesn't matter, John. John, but what do you think? What do you think, Father? You are going to give the evidence, isn't it? You are going to give the evidence. So, it was according to that. So, here, John Gresham was going to let him back or anything else. It was according to the evidence of whom? Baldwin. Here, but what do you think, Father? Baldwin, I think that I am sorry for John Gresham, terribly sorry. Here, he has no words. Here, Baldwin has no words to say. He wants to help him. He wants to help him, but what can he do? All the evidence were against him. So nobody can, what can we say? Nobody can, yes, get him off, isn't it? I think that I am sorry for John Gresham, terribly sorry. I am very sorry. I could not do anything for him. I could not save him. John, it's nothing but a technicality, Dad. Nobody loses a cent. It's rather hard on Gresham, I say. It's nothing but a technicality. Here, technicality here means എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു സാങ്കേതികമായിട്ടുള്ള തടസ്സങ്ങളുണ്ട്. It's nothing but a technicality, Dad. Nobody loses a cent. Nobody loses a cent. It's rather hard on Gresham. Here, it was very hard to save Gresham. Here, nobody loses a cent. Then how he was going to get arrested? It's very hard to be on Gresham. Here, number of person or number of things were against him. But it's very hard. ഇത് വളരെ ദുഃഖമായിട്ടൊരു കാര്യമാണ്. ഇത് വളരെ ഗ്രഷാമിന് ദുഃഖമുണ്ടാക്കുന്ന കാര്യമാണ്. Here, Baldwin, yes, John, Evie, would it be such an awful thing, Father, if you let him off? If you let him off, is it a awful thing? അത് വളരെ മോശമായിട്ടുള്ള കാര്യമാവോ നിങ്ങൾ ഗ്രഷാമിനെ രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്തിയാൽ? Who is saying this? Evie. Okay, Evie is saying that if you let him off, is it a awful thing? ഇത് വളരെ മോശമായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കാര്യമാണോ ആ വ്യക്തിനെ രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്തുക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? Here, Baldwin, I wish I could, Evie, but I am not the judge. I am wishing if I could save him. I am thinking like that, but I am not the judge. Isn't it? Here, he can say something in the court, but I am not going to judge. Here, I am not a judge. I am not going to, I can't give any judgment to him. Evie, no, but ഇല്ല, നിങ്ങൾ ജഡ്ജല്ല. പക്ഷെ എന്തായാലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൂടെ, എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു മാർഗം കാണിച്ചു കൊടുത്തൂടെ എന്നാണ് ഇവിടെ എവി പറയുന്നത്. Evie, you are the only witness against him. You are the only witness against him. നീയാണ് ഒരേ ഒരു വിറ്റ്നസ് അയാളെ എതിർത്ത് പറയാൻ. Here, you are the only witness against him. Here, Evie is saying that, Father, you are the only person to give evidence against him. So, you can save him by saying anything else. Baldwin, Evie, John, she is right, Governor. Here, both of them, Evie and John, they are supporting John here, Gresham now. Okay, here both Evie and John, both are supporting Gresham. And they are asking their father to save Gresham. Here, Baldwin, you too, John? John, നീ ആദ്യം ഗ്രഷാമിനെ കുറ്റപ്പെടുത്തിയിരുന്നതാണ് അല്ലേ? ഇപ്പൊ നീ അവനെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്. നീയും സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണോ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത് എന്നിവിടെ ആരാ ചോദിക്കുന്നത്? ബോൾവിൻ. John, it's going to be a nasty mess if they put John Gresham in jail with your own son named after him. It's going to be a pleasant for me. John Gresham Baldwin. It's going to be a nasty mess if they put John Gresham in jail. Here, if the court is going to put him in jail, it is considered to be a nasty mess. Here, nasty means here meaning bad thing. Okay, nasty here meaning bad. Nasty mess, here bad thing. If they put John Gresham in jail, with your own son named after him. How your son was named? John Gresham Baldwin. So, I have the name of him. Isn't it? Here, who is saying that? John is saying, Gresham name is with me. My name is John Gresham Baldwin. Here, Gresham name is also with me. Here, it's going to be pleasant for me. John Gresham Baldwin. It's a pleasant for me. Okay, here John is considered that to be a pleasant one as John Gresham Baldwin. Martha. Robert, I am not sure I understood what you said before. What did Mr. Gresham want you to do for him? Robert, here Robert Baldwin, full name is Baldwin, full name is Robert Baldwin, isn't it? So here Martha is saying, Robert, I am not sure I understood what you said before. I am not sure, എനിക്ക് ഉറപ്പില്ല. I understood what you said before. നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യം എന്താ പറഞ്ഞാൽ എനിക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ വലിയ ഉറപ്പ് തോന്നിക്കുന്നില്ല. What did Mr. Gresham want you to do for him? What Mr. Gresham wants you to do. Okay, what Mr. Gresham wants you to do. Who is saying that? Martha. Who is asking that? Martha is asking that. Baldwin, get him off tomorrow. Get him off tomorrow. What's the meaning of get him off? എങ്ങനെയെങ്കിലും രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്താൻ വേണ്ടി. നാളെ എങ്ങനെയും രക്ഷപ്പെടുത്താൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ആവശ്യം. Baldwin, get him off tomorrow. Martha, you could do that. Here, Martha, that is wife, isn't it? What she was saying, you could do that. You can save him. You can get him off, isn't it? Baldwin, yes. Martha, how? Yes, I have to save him. Baldwin is saying that, yes, I have to save my friend Gresham. And Martha at that time asking, how you are going to save him? Baldwin, by answering, I don't remember when they ask me dangerous questions. Okay, how I am going to save him? Do you know? Who is saying that? Baldwin is saying, do you know how I am going to save him? By saying the 3 words, I don't remember. Okay, here when they ask me dangerous questions, when they are asking me, when the court will ask any dangerous questions, I will say as I don't remember. This is the only way to save him. Nobody can prove that I have any memory power or not. They can't prove that I have memory power or not. So I can say I don't remember. Martha, oh, and you do remember? Here Martha is asking, will you remember those things? Will you remember the matter that happened earlier? Okay, here who is asking that? Yes, Martha is asking whether you can remember the things that happened earlier. Baldwin, yes, nearly everything. Yes, I could remember everything. Okay, he could remember everything, but he was not going to prove, he was not going to say that he was not able to remember. Okay, now we are concluding the topic here, and we can see the next portion in the next class. Thank you.